guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply more than one video filter to your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to grab a video from here, for instance this one, and I want to add in a filter, so I'm going to go to the filter section here, and I want to add in this filter, for instance, and I want to add more than one. Simply just select another one and place it inside, or you can place it on top. As you can see, I think there's only one in there, so I suggest just placing it on top, and it will be layered on top of the other filter. You can adjust the strength, and you can also here I'll show you, copy and paste this one. I'm just going to delete this one first, and for instance I'm going to add this black and white one. I'm going to go to mask, and I'm going to select horizontal, and this is to just blend the filters if you want to do it this way. You don't have to, but yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!